In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add coupons for customers in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. If you're running an online store and want to boost sales, reward loyal customers, or run limited time promotions, adding coupon codes is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do it. I'll walk you through the entire process, from signing in to publishing your coupon so your customers can start using it right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical GoDaddy tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, head over to GoDaddy.com, and click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your GoDaddy account, then complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner where your username appears. Click on your username, and from the drop-down menu, choose My Products. This will take you to a page where you can see all the products and services connected to your account. Under the Website section, locate the website you want to add the coupon to. If you have multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one. When you find it, click on it to manage that specific site. Next, click on the Edit Website button. This will open your GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can manage your store, content, and design settings. Now that you're inside the website editor, go to the top right menu and select the Store option. This is where all your e-commerce features are managed. After clicking on Store, look for Store Actions. Under Store Actions, click on Coupons. This is the section where you can create, edit, and manage all your discount codes. Once you're inside the coupon section, look at the top right side of the page and click on the Add button. This is where you'll create a new coupon for your customers. Now it's time to enter your coupon details. First, type in your coupon code. This is the code customers will enter at checkout, so make it simple and easy to remember, like Save 10 or Welcome 20. Next, choose the coupon type. You can usually select between a percentage discount like 10% off or a fixed amount discount like $5 off. Select the option that fits your promotion. After that, enter the discount value in the price or amount field depending on the type you selected. Then set the start date and end date for the coupon. This is especially useful if you're running a limited time promotion. Setting an expiration date creates urgency and prevents the coupon from being used indefinitely. You'll also see an option to set a usage limit. This allows you to control how many times the coupon can be used in total. For example, you might limit it to the first 50 customers. Next, you can set a minimum order total. This means the customer must spend a certain amount before the coupon can be applied. This is a great way to increase your average order value. You'll also have the option to choose which products the coupon applies to. You can apply it to all products or select specific items only. This is helpful if you want to promote certain products instead of your entire store. Once you've filled in all the details and reviewed everything carefully, click Save. Your coupon is now created, but there's one more very important step. To make sure your coupon goes live on your website, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Publishing ensures that all the changes you've made, including your new coupon, are updated on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully added a coupon for customers in GoDaddy Website Builder. Now your customers can enter the code at checkout and enjoy the discount you've created. Using coupons strategically can help you increase sales, attract new customers, and reward repeat buyers. So don't hesitate to experiment with different types of promotions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step GoDaddy Website Builder tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.